Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge PDF file on your mobile phone for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then we're going to search for I love PDF website. Okay, just type in I love PDF on the search menu or search bar and this website will appear on your screen. I love PDF.com and we're going to use this website to merge our PDF files. Okay, and here you will have some features from I love PDF. You can choose merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PPT, PDF to Excel, and so on. There are a lot of features here. And since we want to merge our PDF files, we can choose merge PDF. Okay, then select PDF files. I'm just going to pick random files from my device. Wait, I'm just going to choose wait guys, I'm just going to choose random PDF files from here. Okay, let me choose this one and also this one. Okay, then I'm going to click on the select to upload it. Alright, now it's done, and then we just need to click on merge PDF and the PDF files will be merged. And then if you want to get the merged PDF, you can click on download merge PDF here. Okay, and now the file has been already downloaded, and then you can open it to check the result. Okay, and then if you want to remove the file or the PDF file, you can click on this icon, and I'm going to click on delete it now. Okay, now it's done. The PDF files are already merged, and you can do it for free guys, and you don't need to log into this website to access the features. So this website is very useful to merge our PDF and then compress or maybe split, because all the features are free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to merge PDF file on a mobile phone for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.